has an RB25 in it, I do believe. Hopefully by the time you see the video, I'll be using this Ryzen 9. It should be smashing through it, hopefully. $3900 XT. These spotties have to pull the bull bar off to get the nut on and tighten it. What a pain in the neck. I've got enough room to swing the spanner in behind. Doing a test run. Lights are on high beam. Beautiful. So I had to space the spotties out just so that you can still access the winch controller. But she's all in. Quick test. Spotty. Switch is working. Awesome. So far, the spaghetti mess is getting there. Quite an undertaking. And we got the reverse light bar up here mounted and ready to go too. But yeah, here we go. Got the jump start feature, compressor switch, and the fuse panel here ready to go. Anderson plug there ready to get mounted as well. Hopefully shouldn't be too much longer. So I didn't film a lot of it, but there is a ton of work that went into that. The Anderson plug done, compressor switch ready, full fuse panel ready, got the jump start feature there on that switch. Now I've also got this solenoid I'm wiring in for the compressor, and I've also got this run ready for the jump start feature as well. Just got to hook up the reverse light wire so that this will work. Testing. Yep. So she's all back together. All I've got to do is hook up this reverse wire, but because we're going into bloody lockdown I won't have enough time for this. But the rest of it's done. Got the Anderson plug there, got your jump start feature, got the compressor wiring done and solenoid wired in, got all the fuse box there, and the jump start feature's wired down in there. We'll need to tidy that up later. And yeah, now we're going into lockdown, not much I can do about it.